Welcome to Friends at Preparation YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss current affair MCQ. You can utilize this video as a preparation booster for your competitive examinations. Let's start with the first question. The government launched an e-Sahaj portal. It is related to, your options are A. To offer insurance coverage to dairy farmers. B. For security clearance in certain sensitive sectors. C. For MSME sector to access market credit. D. To assist startups in getting cheaper loans. The correct answer is B. The government launched an online e-Sahaj portal for grant of security clearance. The objective of national security clearance is to evaluate potential security threat, including economic threat, and provide risk assessment before clearing investment and project proposal in key sectors. Consider the following statements regarding CAMPA. Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority, known as PAMPA, are meant to promote afforestation and regeneration activity as way of compensating for forest and land diverted to non-forest uses. According to CAMPA Act, provisions a company diverting forest land must provide alternative land to take compensatory afforestation. The loss of forest ecosystem must also be compensated by paying net present value. Which of the statement above are correct? Your options are A. 1, 2, B. 1, 3, C. 2, 3, D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D. To compensate the loss of forest area and to maintain the sustainability, the Government of India Act come up with a well-defined plan known as CAMPA. Which of the following best describe the term herd immunity? Your options are A. When a large percentage of population has lost immunity to an infection. B. Increasing the immune system in a community by providing drugs and medicines. C. A high percentage of people is a given community is immune to disease. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Since the coronavirus pandemic began, the term herd immunity has been flung around as one solution to devastating virus ravaging countries all over the globe since December 2019. Which of the following are the vaccine prevention disease? Dengue, rubella, hemophilia, polio, common cold. Select the correct answer code. Your options are A. 1, 2, 3, 4, B. 1, 2, 4, C. 1, 3, 5, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is B. A vaccine prevention disease is an infection disease for which effective prevention vaccine exist. If a person acquire a vaccination preventable disease and die from it, the death considered as the vaccine preventable